Hello everyone. We are here to discuss the long and short sounds of our five vowels, and they are, as you know, that they are very special because they have two sounds: one long sound, as in their name, and a short sound. Let's look at the short sound. A, 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 as in ant. A, ant. A, apple. A, aeroplane. A, X. Now the long sound of the vowel A. A is for alien. Alien. Apron. Apron. Agent. Agent. Now the vowel number 2, A. A as in egg. A. E. E is for equal. Equal. A. Egg. E. Equal. E. Eraser. E. Me. E. as in she. A. Egg. E. Equal. A is the short sound, A, and E is the long sound as its name. The third vowel is I. I as in ink. I, ink. I, ink. I is for island. I is for eyes. I is for an idea. Now the fourth vowel, O. O as in orange. Orange. O is for only. O is for open. Orange. Orange. O only. O open. The fifth vowel is U. As in umbrella. As in umbrella. U is for united. U is for uniform. U is for unicorn. Umbrella. U united. U uniform. U unicorn. Thank you.